There are two ways to upload files to your GeeLark Cloud Phone. First, open a Cloud Phone. On the right toolbar, click Upload. Method 1. Local Upload. Click Upload under Local Upload. Choose a file from your computer. Once the upload is complete, you'll find it in the Files app on your Cloud Phone. Method 2. Library Upload. Select a file from your GeeLark Library. Click Upload and it will instantly appear on your Cloud Phone. You can also change the destination folder before uploading if needed. And here's where you can access your library. The library lets you store and manage your files in one place. It also gives you access to GeeLark's built-in AI content creation tools. For video generation, you can choose from Seedance, Kling, or Google Veo. For image generation, GeeLark supports GPT Image, Nano Banana, and Seedream. You can create AI-generated content and upload it directly to your cloud phones without leaving GeeLark. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more GeeLark guides.